Want to run a grass node on your VPS? Here's how you do it.
To earn passive income by supporting decentralized internet, let's run a grass node on your VPS. Excuse me. First is that get a VPS at least 1 GB RAM and Ubuntu 22.04. It is I recommend Contabo or Hetzner for best value. SSH into your server using this prompt right here. Next is that update and install dependencies, apt update and apt upgrade. This is actually a prompt right here. Then when you start your Docker, you should input this prompt right here. Step 3 is that install the grass node using your Docker. After you have prompt this, you should have a Docker, then you should install the grass node via Docker. Then yes, you should just prompt these steps right here. And that's it actually. Your node is now running and earning passively.